mfethu, so uPercy Tau laphana odlala laphana kuQatar, kuyabonakala ukuthi i-contract yakhe yaphela end of June and kunama-rumors-ke ukuthi maybe angenzeka ukuthi abuyele laphana e-Egypt. I-team yase-Egypt ezamalegi le eyama-rivals we-Al Ahly kuyabonakala ukuthi ine-interest ukuthi maybe bangakwazi uku-add-a uPercy Tau to the squad, ngoba uPercy Tau une-experience enkulu laphana ku-Egyptian football naku-African football, u-highly experienced nanokuthi u-super skillful and e-Egypt bayamthanda ngempela abantu. I-contribution yakhe ku-Al Ahly inkulu kakhulu. He will remain one of the most impactful players eke yadlala ku-Al Ahly as i-player lase-South Africa, yabo. So uPercy Tau-ke uyishilo i-Al Ahly January, February lapho nje u-transfer window wajoyina i-team laphana yase-Middle East, but-ke bekuyi-short term contract, yabo, njengoba-ke izophela very soon, but le team le ine-option yokuthi i-renew-e i-contract kaPercy Tau. Kusho ukuthi izamaleki kuthiwa izolinda ukuthi kwenzakalani between uPercy Tau nale team lena ukuthi maybe ikwazi ukusubmit a-proposal to uPercy Tau. But-ke ezakaPercy Tau azipheleli lapho, khona namanye ama-rumor amlinka back to e-South Africa ukuthi okay maybe kungaba ne-chance ukuthi uPercy Tau abuye e-South Africa, but i-South Africa angadlalela yiphi team. The problem is that i-package kaPercy Tau inkulu ngempela. Percy Tau bekwaziwa ukuthi is one of the highest paid players laphana ku-Al Ahly, uhola ama-millions ngama-millions, yabo, ngonyaka, futhi nangenyanga uhola ama-millions over 2 million. So mawufuna ukusayina uPercy Tau, I think isize yelokhunjana yemali ngempela, isize yesikhwama sakho kumele ibe serious, but mhlampe angabuya lapha eSouth Africa maybe ebuyela ukuthi just seyabuyela uthando lebhola nanokuthi ufuna ukuretire ekhaya, yabo, hayi ukuretire like kuma-Arab nations. But I think final few years yakhe laphana overseas, I think uzama ukwenza imali serious ngempela kokugcina and then abuye ku-PSL. But kuPercy Tau ama-performances wakhe awasafani njengoPercy Tau lo besimazi, njengoba uma ubheka ama-performances wakhe kuBafana Bafana awasafani. Khona la sebamdropa khona just ukuthi ucoach uHugo Broos uthi uyayazi i-contribution kaPercy Tau nanokuthi u-talented kangakanani, but-ke ufila ngathi uPercy Tau kumele bamphumuze. Washo kanjalo that time bebangamselect, but uPercy Tau yena dala esho ukuthi is always available for i-national team nanokuthi-ke uzokwazi ukusiza i-national team la emdinga khona, yabo. But sobona kuma-transfer window ngoba uPercy Tau akanayo i-contract active after uJune, nanokuthi la team izo-renew na i-contract yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates or back to Mamelodi Sundowns, that will be decided nge-transfer window ukuthi obani abazokwazi ukumheha noma ukum-afforda uPercy Tau ukuthi bamlethe back to ibhola lase-South Africa. Noma uPercy Tau uzobheka kwezinye iy'ndawo lapha ko-Middle East ngoba kunemali e-serious khona, noma uzobheka e-Europe, but-ke iminyaka iyahamba, but sasene-chance ukuthi adlale lese 2 seasons nyana overseas and then-ke abuye ekhaya, sibone ukuthi yiphi i-team ezomsayina maybe uPercy Tau, cause uPercy Tau benza iy'mali eyi-serious bafowethu, hhayi benza iy'mali eyi-serious ngempela. So ukudlala e-South Africa mekubheka isikhathi esiningi ngathi kumbuyisele emuva, yabo. Maybe uzo-retire overseas, but I don't see a-retire overseas. Ngiyambona edlala a season or 2 la e-South Africa before a-retire. Inkinga nje ukuthi uzobuya nini eSouth Africa. Danko bafowethu.